Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable zoom to fill on YouTube app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up YouTube app. Then you can just play some video, and now if you want to turn it full screen you can just rotate your device in that way. Now the video is on the full screen mode, but you can notice these two black lines at the borders of the video, and you can easily remove them in that simple way. You can just pinch your fingers until you see this white highlight at the borders of the video, and then you can release your fingers, and now it says zoomed to fill. So in that way you can zoom to fill any video, and if you want to move it to original format you can just pinch it in that way. Now it says original. So at any video you can do like that to zoom it to fill or to get to original format. Also you can set zoom to fill to be applied by default to each video on YouTube. So all you have to do is to get on the home page, then tap at your profile picture and get into settings. Then get into general, where you can easily find zoom to fill screen. If you want to see all the YouTube videos in zoom to fill format, you can just hit at that switcher to enable this option. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my YouTube tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.